As a professional electrician, I know how important it is to protect outdoor electrical equipment. Today, I'm going to show you how to use and test the weatherproof rating of this outdoor weatherproof box. This weatherproof box meets the IP65 and perfectly protects your electrical connections from rain, dust, and moisture. First of all, our weatherproof box is divided into two kinds of materials. This is PVC weatherproof box. Durable non-conductive PVC will not rust or corrode. This is aluminum weatherproof box, durable die-cast. Aluminum construction for long product life. Powder paint finish for corrosive environments. Our weatherproof box comes with the required installation hardware, including closure plugs, grounding screws, mounting lock. The closure plug is used to plug the hole. The earpiece is mounted on the opposite corner of the weatherproof box. And then screws can be used to fix the weatherproof box on the wall. Now, I'm going to show you how to properly install a weatherproof box. First step, choosing a suitable mounting location. Attach the mounting lugs to the weatherproof box using the included mounting screws. Then, fasten the weatherproof box to the wall with screws. Make sure it is securely mounted and not wobbly. Place the switch in the correct position first. Pay attention to align the holes. This is the cover of the weatherproof box. The key of weatherproof is this weatherproof pad. Now I'll show you how to install the weatherproof pad. First of all, peel off the switch and the location of the 4 screw holes. The second step, to tear off the back of the corresponding 4 holes and the center of the location of the stickers. The third step corresponds to the 4 holes for the paste, the appropriate stick on the back of the weatherproof cover. Here's what it looks like when it's installed. Finally, the waterproof lid is only waterproof if you make sure the lid is closed. We must remember to close the lid. Place the weatherproof cover on the top. Secure with screws at both ends once the installation is complete. Can close the cover. Now, let's test the real weatherproof performance of this weatherproof case. I put a piece of white paper inside the weatherproof box. And if water seeps in, the white paper changes color and that the seal is in the correct position. Let's simulate a rainy day. Now 3 minutes have passed. Let's see how it turns out. Look, the white paper is completely dry. This proves that our weatherproof boxes are fully compliant with the IP65 weatherproof standard. As a professional electrician, I trust this weatherproof box to protect my outdoor electrical connections, whether it's rainy or wet. IT provides reliable protection. To learn more about our products, please visit our website www.Shlinsky.com.